Welcome to the place where India's favorite street snack is born by the millions. The perfect crunch begins with the highest quality semolina and wheat flour.
Sifting ensures the flour is airy and free of any impurities before mixing.
The ratio of semolina to flour is a closely guarded secret for the perfect crunch. Filtered water and salt are added to bind the dry ingredients together.
The dough must be kneaded until it is tough and barely holds moisture.
If the dough is too soft, the puris will not puff up in the oil. Resting the dough allows the gluten strands to relax for sheeting.
The rested dough is ready to be transformed into thousands of tiny discs. Massive rollers compress the dough chunks into a continuous thick sheet. The sheet is rolled thinner and thinner until it is translucent. The thickness must be exact, or the shell will be too hard to bite. Rotary cutters stamp out hundreds of circles per second. Nothing is wasted, as the scrap dough is returned to the mixer.
These flat discs are the raw potential of a crispy snack.
Keeping the moisture locked inside is crucial for the explosion in the fryer.
The continuous fryer is a beast that consumes huge amounts of oil.
The oil temperature must be precise to shock the dough into expanding.
The raw discs plunge into the hot oil, and the magic begins.
Steam pressure inside the dough forces it to expand into a hollow sphere.
Paddles ensure the balls roll over to get golden brown on all sides.
The Maillard reaction gives the shells their appetizing golden color. Thousands of perfect spheres emerge from the hot oil every minute. Vibration shakes off the excess oil to keep the snack light. They must cool down slowly to harden into a brittle shell.
As they cool, the structure hardens to give that satisfying crack.
Not every disc puffs up, so the flat ones are removed by hand.
Laser sorters remove any broken shells with incredible speed. Even the mistakes are delicious and sold as papdi for other snacks.
The crunch must be audible, and the shell should shatter, not crumble.
Machines count the delicate shells without crushing them.
A tight seal prevents humidity from making the shells soggy. Labeling provides the customer with freshness guarantees.
Packaging requires extra care to prevent breakage.
The bags are stacked gently like eggs to avoid crushing.
The boxes are sealed and ready for the warehouse.
Street vendors buy in bulk sacks containing thousands of shells.
Humidity is the enemy. so the warehouse is kept bone dry.
Home kits include the spice mix, so you can make the water at home.
The spice blend is mixed to replicate the authentic street flavor.
Small sachets of flavor are packed to accompany the shells.
Safety checks ensure no machinery parts have fallen into the food.
The trucks are loaded floor to ceiling with the lightweight boxes.
These trucks travel hundreds of miles to feed the craving of a nation. The supply chain ends at the street corner cart.
The factory-made shells look uniform and perfect in the display.
The vendor adds their personal touch with fresh mint and tamarind water.
The filling provides the savory base for the hollow Pani Puri shell.
The signature crack signals the start of the eating ritual. The hollow shell becomes a vessel for the spicy, tangy water.
It must be eaten in one bite to experience the explosion of flavor.
The perfect factory Pani Puri shell holds the water without leaking.
Factory production ensures a level of hygiene that is hard to match by hand.
Producing millions a day keeps the price affordable for everyone.
At the end of the day, the machines are scrubbed clean.
Filtering the oil preserves the quality and taste of the next batch.
Filtering the oil preserves the quality and taste of the next batch.
Thanks for watching the journey of the Gol Gappa.